Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here to share a project with you today. And this project is a lace pocket book, and it's going to feature the digitals from Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. And the kit that I used was Divine Moments. And I want to thank Doreen. Hello, Doreen, for a lovely chat that we had on Facebook Messenger. And we got to talking, and she ended up sending me the Divine Moments kit. And I absolutely love it. And I'm going to put a link to Doreen's store down below, so you can go over and check out all her beautiful digitals. I'm sure you've seen them. She has a wonderful design team that does absolutely amazing work. All the laces and trims are from my store, and there'll be a link to that in the description box below. The bling is also from my store, and I'll show you as we go along. So this is the book. This is the back page. And I used, well, actually, this lace was gifted to me from Amy Love. Hi, Amy. And I used one of the appliques, the pink appliques that I have in my shop. They come in a set of 3, and I just put a little ribbon rose in the middle and some pink sari ribbon, which is also available in my shop. I used some, was it fabric I used? No, it was a table runner in white, and then I used this smaller piece that has all this tatting on it. I just love it. Amy sent me that as well. So I put that over top of it, and I put felt in between. So it's a really soft book, but it's good and sturdy as well. So that's it, and you can see along the bottom I use this beautiful trim here that Amy sent me as well, and it's got lots and lots of dangles. So let me flip this over now, and I'll show you the front. So here's the front, and I used this beautiful lace here. This actually was from Amy as well. She sent me a package recently, and it had some laces in it. So thank you for those, Amy. So I put that all the way around the top and the back here, and then down the side. And there in the middle, you can see Doreen's beautiful image of this beautiful little sweet angel. And I stickled up her part of her dress and her wings. This piece here is some bling from my store, and it's so super sparkly. I just love it. These pink flowers here were from Amy as well. I used some of the sparkly tulle netted ribbon trim from my store here. This is the grapevine trim from my shop. I put it down either side of the image, and then I made a flower out of the lovely heart tulle that I have in my shop. And this beautiful bling was gifted to me by Julie K. Paper Play at Julie K. I think that's how you say it. I think that's your channel. Sorry, Julie. Paper Play with Julie K. That's what it is. She sent me that in some happy mail last year, so I put it on there because I just loved how it looked. More sari ribbon, and then of course there's that tulle trim that I showed you, and a bunch of dangles at the bottom that I'll show you when we open up the book. And then a little pink sugar heart, and some this flower is from a lace from my store. The pink heart lace from my store is here, and a little velvet flower from the velvet flower set in my shop. I think that's pretty much it for the front cover. And when you open it up, it has pockets, and I'll get to what these are in a minute. So you can see it has a nice deep pocket with this lace from my shop. And then at the top, I cut up this beautiful sparkly applique from my store. So I put a piece here and a piece over here. And then I put this beautiful trim that Amy sent me along the top. This was just some fabric, lace fabric I had in my stash. And I used the other 2 hearts because they come in a set of 3 on each of the pockets. And then these are little bridal flowers from a wedding dress that I just used for my stash. And then this trim was in my store. It's currently sold out. This beautiful pink glitter trim is in my store. It's got a lovely metallic lace in it, and it's really sparkly. And then I've got a dangle trim here from my shop. And this is the pink leaf lace from my store right here. And then this beautiful leaf dangle is also from my store. And then there's another dangle here from my store. So that is the inside of the book. And I also, in this Divine Moments kit, they come with some fabric postcards. And you guys know I love making fabric postcards. So I made 3 of them. So this first one that I created here, and you can see how beautiful that angel is. I just love these digitals. This is a trim for my store. There's that lace again. And these flowers here are from the sparkly knitted tulle ribbon in my store. And it's got dimensional flowers on it. So I just cut them out. They're fantastic. I think I have one here. This is a different color. But this is what it looks like. And it has these beautiful dimensional flowers. This one is currently sold out, but I'm going to get it back in. This is a champagne color. We have pink in the store at the moment. But you can see it's got all these dimensional flowers on it, so you can cut these out. And then it's got the beautiful sequins as well. So I just chopped that up. So I used this trim here with the pearls and the rhinestones from my store on either side. A beautiful cabochon from my store that's a little on a dress form. More of those flowers, a little pink sugar heart, some pink tulle trim, and that's basically the front. Little resin flower from my store as well. And then the back is, this comes in the kit as well. It's got carte postale for postcard, and I just made a little pocket on the back. So you could put a little note or a little gift or something in there. And then this applique really goes a long way. So I cut one applique up and I got all of those 2 big pieces on the book, and then I used some smaller pieces to just trim around the edge of the back of the postcard, and look how sparkly it is. And like I said, it's got a little pocket. So this is also Doreen's digital as well. So that's that one. And then this one is this beautiful little angel. And I use this trim for my store. This is a bridal applique lace that I chopped up. Little blush pink edging trim from my store. More of the little pink sugar hearts. This lace again with some bling from my store. Some white sari ribbon and ribbon rose from my shop. And then some of that beautiful pink glitter lace there. And then this beautiful bow lace from my shop. And of course the rhinestone cup chain, because who doesn't love that? And then there's some dangles and just some snippets at the bottom of laces from my shop. And then in the back, I made another pocket, and again, the carte postale digital from Doreen's digital kit. And I used some of the white bridal lace to make a pocket, and it's got some of the pink heart lace there and some pink sugar hearts. And just, I cut a piece of the white bridal trim here and put that at the top. And then I made a little tag with another part of the kit, just a paper tag, added a few snippets, and I stickled it all up. So it's so, so pretty. I love it. And I just added some sari to the top. And that just sits in this pocket. So that's that one. And then last but not least is this one. Another digital from Doreen's kit. And I stickled up these roses here. I mean, this kit is just gorgeous. It's so shabby and beautiful. I just love it. A little butterfly from my stash, resin flower, a bow from a pink lace fabric that I have, some white tulle. This leaf lace was also in my store, and there's more of that applique. I mean, that applique, it just gives and gives and gives. It's amazing. Some more of the little sparkle ribbon trim, the pearl and rhinestone trim here. This lace is from my stash, as is this one here on the edge. So that's the front. So sparkly. That applique is just glorious. I love it. It is so sparkly. And then here's the back. Some more of that beautiful rhinestone and pearl trim. It's butterflies from my stash. These bling are from my store, Aurora Borealis bling. And then this is the big flower from the applique, so I put it there. And then more of that bow lace. This one is not a pocket. So I just finished that one off like that. So that's this one. And these all just fit in the pocket. Really nice. And then there's this one. And then this one. So these all fit in here really nicely. And I mean, Doreen's digitals are just so beautiful. So it really made this project better. And I just love how it came out. I think her digitals are just so shabby and beautiful. And I hope you'll go over to her store and check them out. She has tons of great digitals in her store. So please go over and check it out. The link is below, and the link to my shop is also below. And thank you very much, Doreen, for sending me this beautiful digital kit. I absolutely love it, and I had such a great time using it. I'll be using it quite often, actually, and I have another project coming soon with using some more of these digitals, so you'll see that soon. All right, guys, thank you. Take care, everybody. Bye.